Thank you for clicking on the link to our video for Contract Kiosk. Today I wanted to show you some general common features about the kiosk and hopefully give you some helpful tips. Give you an example of some contracts and how they work in the app, and really just try and give you as many practical suggestions about how to use it, whether you're a free user or whether you're one of our paid premium users. So, the core of the kiosk basically does two things. It creates contracts and it helps you manage contracts. So if you already have existing contracts, you can input the data into the appropriate field, and that allows you to carry around that information and access it wherever you are. If you need to structure a new document or a new contract, that allows you to go from end to end, so from start of creating a contract all the way through to management. So I thought I'd give you an example of a few of the most common types of contracts, but for starters I thought I'd just show you a few of the major feature functionality of the app itself. So the page that's open now is the carousel. So how it works is the images that below you see here are the 10 most common contractual behaviors in any business. Whether that business has $1 in the bank or $1 billion in the bank, these are the 10 most common contractual behaviors. They're not the only ones, they're just the most common. So just for completeness, we'll go through those. So you have confidentiality, you have distribution agreement, you have sales rep agreement, you have licensing agreement for licensing things into a company and out of a company, you have the product sale agreement, you have professional services, employment contracts, service and maintenance contracts, subcontracts, and supplier agreements. So again, these are the 10 most common. So again, when you're looking for a particular one, you can either use the icons here or just scroll through. The carousel will follow your hand movements. So that's the general layout of accessing the different templates. When you create an agreement, and we will, you go to the Manage Your Contracts filing cabinet and you click here. So this is a fairly intelligent system in that it allows you to search on company type, country, type of agreement. So those represent the 10 previous templates. These are the types of agreement. You can search on status, in progress, and completed. Contract Kiosk is the only system that allows you to search on both things that are in progress and things that are completed. So you don't have to wait until it's completed to search on it. And again, for completeness, you can search on date or keyword. The interesting thing about the dates and the keywords are they're integrated into the native iPad calendar. So when you input that data, it automatically goes to where it needs to go in your calendar, which a lot of our users find quite useful. So we'll go back to the carousel.